Hey y'all, Mama Lisa's back in the kitchen. And these cakes are just about done. And we're gonna see what the Happy Day cake is all about. So hold on. Yeah, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Can't wait. It's like the highlight of my day to get something sweet. It is. There we go. And my kitchen smells happy. And it's getting ready to taste happy. Yeah. My belly is. My taste buds. Anyway, Happy Day cake, y'all. Oh, happy day. Yeah, they're out. I can't wait. I'm gonna let them cool, maybe. I'm gonna try to get one out of this pan so I can eat it. And then maybe I can go rest the body down. Relax the body. Oh, these are cute. Oh, hold on. Hold the press. Okay, that's cute. Now they might be just a little bit more done because of this pan. You know what? I'm gonna turn those suckers out here. Hold on. This is a clean towel, by the way. I love these flour sack towels that they're real thin and they're easy to laundry. And let's just see if these will pop on out. Maybe. Okay. Now that's a happy day right there. Yeah. 'Cause that means I don't have to do a whole lot of cleaning. I'm just saying. So anyway, back to what I was saying, which is, let me cover these so they can cool completely while I'm relaxing the body down. So yeah, happy day. Happy days are here again. Yeah, hold on. I think that was Sunday, Monday, happy days. Yeah. Listen, there's a lot of things that can make you happy right inside the privacy of your own kitchen. Heaven's sakes. Okay, and I'm getting ready to be real happy. I got this plate out because I'm going to put them on this plate and then put them in a Tupperware when they get cooled off so that the men folk can have some if I don't eat them all before they get home. So let's do a taste test of the Happy Day cake with some North Carolina grown strawberries. These were from Leggett Farms, or excuse me, Strawberry City. Strawberry City. I have a habit of doing that, don't I? Anyway, I'm gonna need a little bit of Cool Whip. Oh, Lord, have mercy. I didn't make homemade Cool Whip because I didn't have nothing to make it with. Anyway, happy day. Have a happy day. What? This is gonna make me real happy. Hold on. I wish I could share it with y'all. I wish you could lick your camera or your device and taste it. But that's a happy day right there, y'all. Happy day cake. And y'all have a happy day. See ya.